Hello everyone. We will discuss about advanced Java concepts today. So the prerequisite is here. Prerequisite to understand advanced Java is basics of Java. We call it as core Java, right? We everybody call it as core Java. So this is the prerequisite to understand advanced Java concepts. Advanced Java is part of J2EE. Advanced Java is part of Java Enterprise Edition J2EE, whereas core Java is part of J2SE, Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. This is J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Okay. Now, what is the limitation that we have in core Java? Question is, what is the limitation in core Java? Why we are going towards advanced Java? In core Java, whatever concepts has been given. In core Java, whatever concepts has been given. In core Java, whatever concepts has been given. Using that concepts, you can build core Java based applications. Core Java based applications. So what kind of applications I can build? Core Java applications. Using core Java, I can build CLI application, command line interface application, where you can interact with application via command line only. You can build a GUI application in standalone. All these are standalone applications. Stand-alone, which are running in the single machine. For example, command prompt. Here, if you want any interaction via command prompt, we will use CLI-based applications. Via command prompt, if you want to build anything, we will build like a CLI application. If you want a GUI-based applications like calculator, if you want a GUI applications like calculator, so this is a GUI application, right? So you can build by using core Java. In core Java, we have support to implement CLI and GUI applications, but they are standalone, which are being running in same machine, So now, if you want to expand your business, your business scale to worldwide. Nowadays, people are using web. So using advanced Java, you can build applications which can be accessed worldwide. What applications you can build here? What applications you can build here? Web applications you can build. Examples, millions of web applications. The most famous, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and the banking applications, ICICI, HDFC, Standard Chartered, etc. So there are millions of applications which are being developed in web, accessible throughout the world. So what is the difference in standalone application and applications which are being used in web? In standalone case, whatever application you have built, that application need to be installed into client machine. It need to be installed in client machines. Which means you need to transfer your code or your application every time to client machine to use them. But when it comes to web applications, you need not to install your software into client machines. Instead of that, you can have a server. Within that server, you can have your code. And people will across access it from browsers. People will access from anywhere using their browsers. People can access it from anywhere using their browsers. You know, browsers are so many nowadays. Google Chrome, we are using Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. There are so many such client softwares are available to access code which is being deployed into servers, so that your code need not to install into any client machines. Clients are always browsers. Clients will use browsers, and that browser can access your code, whatever purpose it build. Your code for whatever purpose you build, that can be accessed via browser. So using advanced Java, you can build web applications. You can build web applications. Moreover, server side, right? To save your data permanently, you can use databases also. You can use database also. So database also, you can use database also. So whatever code you have in your server, that can connect with your database and store your data permanently. From browser, whatever data client submits, it will come to servers. Servers will store the data into database. So all that concepts we will cover in advanced Java. All that concepts we will cover in advanced Java. So what are their names on high level? What are their names? Concepts names. What are their names? Concept wise, what are their names? The first one is JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Java Database Connectivity. We will learn about this Java Database API first. Java Database Connectivity API. So what is the purpose of this Java Database API connectivity? Using this Java Database API, what we will do, Java applications, whichever application you build in Java, all your Java applications, if they want to connect with the database, for what purpose? To store or retrieve data. So if you want to connect with the databases, the medium is JDBC. Using JDBC only, you can able to connect with your database. Databases are the data storages. Databases are the data storages softwares. There our data will be more secured. Instead of databases, sir, I will use file also. You can use file. But when you use file, there is no security and there is no guarantee that file will exist. If there is any crash occurs, your file got deleted. But that will not happen with databases. Database softwares, continuous backups, lot of things we will apply so that our data is not gone. So that data will be secured also. Nobody will access your databases. Okay, we will use a lot of security for databases. So securely we will put our data into databases. So whenever Java application wanted to store data securely into your databases, the medium that we use is JDBC. Without JDBC, it is not possible. Without JDBC, it is not possible to connect with the databases from Java application. So this is the first feature. This is the first feature. And coming to second feature, we will learn about servlets. We will learn about servlets. We will learn about servlets. What are they? Servlets are the server side Java components, Java classes, server side Java classes. So far we discussed about in core Java. So far we discussed about simple Java classes. We haven't discussed about any server side Java class. We haven't discussed about any server side Java class. But when we use servlets, we can able to implement server side Java code. We can implement server side Java code. When we use servlet, you can implement server side Java code. So that is not possible in core Java. So server side Java classes are servlets. What is the server? Which servers will accept your servlets? Yeah, there are a lot of servers. Here in servlets, we will understand about servers also. We will understand about servers. Which servers we will use to deploy servlets? We need web servers which will be able to run your server-side Java code. So which web servers we will use, sir? In that servers, we have many types, web servers, comma, application servers. So we can use both web server, we can use application server also we can use to deploy our servlets. But which is preferred one, sir? We can use web server. We can use web server, which is lightweight, and most of the times web servers are open sources, which means you need not to pay much licensing here. Application servers are licensed softwares. Any examples, sir? Yes. Web server Tomcat. It's a famous web server. Using Tomcat, we can able to run server-side Java code. Any examples, sir, for application server? WebLogic, JBoss, WebSphere. Like that, there are so many application servers. Web servers also we have so many. Tomcat, Jetty, Undertow. So like that, there are so many web servers. We will see going forward what are all these web servers and what are all these application servers. So by using servlets, what we can implement are server-side Java code. We can implement server-side Java code by using servlets. JDBC will help you to connect your Java application with the database. Servlets will help you to implement server-side Java code. Server-side Java code we can implement by using servlets, server-side Java code. So which servers we will use? Either we will use web servers or application servers. But web servers are very lightweight and easy to use. Web servers are very light to use. They are very lightweight to use. So we will use web servers. Sir, are there any architectures or design patterns that we need to learn? Yes. The most important design pattern that we learn here is MVC. We will understand about MVC design pattern and we can able to implement applications easily. Without MVC also, can't we implement applications? Or you can implement, but that is not a easy maintainable code. That is not a easy maintainable code or not a easy readable code. That's why we follow MVC standards, MVC architecture style we will use, MVC architecture style we will use. So it is a standard to make your code easy to read and easy to maintain. Easy to read and maintain your code when we use MVC. Yeah, we will discuss about MVC in the next session, very in-depth. What is MVC? Okay, and what is MVC? How to use MVC architecture in applications. So this is the first architecture pattern that you are going to learn in Java. Not only in Java, it will be useful everywhere. It will be useful everywhere. It will be useful everywhere. So this is a very important architecture that we will be going to learn. Okay. So we will learn about JDBC. We will learn about servlets. Sir, are there any concepts very in detail in the JDBC means? Yes. Here we will learn about what is a driver. What is a driver? We learn about driver. What is connection? What is connection? We learn about what is a result set. We learn about what is result set. We learn about what is a statement. We learn about what is statement. We learn about what is prepared statement. We learn about what is prepared statement. We learn about what is callable statement. So we will be learning all these concepts. How many types of drivers we have, how to get the connection, okay, how to use statement, prepared statement, callable statement, and result sets. Very important concepts. By using these concepts, we can able to implement JDBC API. We can able to implement JDBC API. Easily we can able to consume JDBC API to connect with the database. In the same way, coming to servlets, what are all topics we have, sir? We will learn about servlets. We will learn about filters. We will learn about listeners. We will learn, apart from this, right, servlets, filters, listeners, there are a lot of concepts, again, in depth. in each concept again we have lot of concepts. Okay, how to create form handling, session management, servlet communication. We will learn about servlet configs, servlet context. All these are concepts, simple concepts only. Okay, simple concepts. It is easy to learn advanced Java. Then core Java. It is very simple to learn all these topics. Okay, we will learn about servlets, filters, listeners, all these, and we are going to learn JSPs, Java server pages. We learn about Java server pages, JSTL, which are tag libraries. We will learn about these tags. Yeah. Now, as I am talking about tags here, we will learn about little bit front end also. So here I will include basics of, I'll include basics of HTML also. In HTML, basically I will show how to create form. We will learn how to create forms. Okay, that is very important. How to create forms and simple Ajax also. We will see simple Ajax, asynchronous Java calls also. We'll see asynchronous Java calls also, JavaScript calls also. We can see asynchronously how we can call backend Ajax also. We will see. Okay, basics of HTML also I will cover. So what we will cover in advanced Java? We will cover JDBC. We will cover servlets concepts, and we will cover simple HTML, and we will cover architecture also. So architecture, it's not a big session. In one session, we'll discuss about architecture also, and we will see about servers also. We'll see servers. We'll see servers. Without servers, as we cannot able to run, right? So we'll discuss about servers also. So overall, when I use all these concepts, I can able to build any web application. For example, I'll draw one application. Sir, I wanted to create one online shopping application, sir, by using advanced Java. Is it possible? Means yes, you can able to build any online applications, online web applications you can create. They can be available across the web throughout the internet. Online web applications, you can build anything you can imagine, which is related to simple games. I'll implement simple gaming applications. So not only advanced Java, you may need some other threads concepts also. Online games, you can implement stores like e-commerce stores, Amazon, Flipkart, like that. You can implement online stores, food-to-go applications like Swiggy, Zomato. You can build such applications also. Anything you can implement, any banking applications also. Personal banking, as we cannot implement ourselves. Yeah, if there is any requirement for banking also, right? You can implement online banking where user can log in and he can able to transfer, he can able to deposit, all that you can able to implement here, right? Any such web application you can build by using advanced Java, by using advanced Java concepts. So finally, how we are going to implement application is a combination of, generally when you implement advanced Java based applications, right, you will see combination of front end code. Application consists of front end code, which means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all such. You will have front end and you will have back end. Which means you will have servlets code, JDBC, and all can be part of your backend code. And you will have one database also, but majorly your application, whatever application we write, coding, developer, whatever code you write as a developer, right? You will be having front end code and back end code. Along with them, we will use one database. We will use one database to store our data permanently, right? If you want to sell some items, you need to feed them before you are selling, right? All that we do it in database, so that will be visible to everybody. So any such web applications you can build, any such web applications you can build, any such web applications you can build by using advanced Java, Okay, I hope you understand. I hope you understand what we can able to build by using advanced Java, what we can able to build by using advanced Java. Okay, in the next session, right, we will talk about MVC architecture. Before proceeding further, we'll talk about MVC architecture. Okay, then we will start discussing about JDBC. Okay, yeah.